Today, we will be showing the different batteries, charging hubs, a drone tether, and an off-the-grid battery charging solution for DJI's Enterprise line of drones. Up first, we have the Matrice 200, 210, and Inspire 2 batteries. These batteries come in two capacity options, the standard TB50 and the high-capacity TB55s. For the Matrice 210, with dual camera payloads, such as with the Zenmuse Z30 and the Zenmuse X-T2, having two high-capacity TB55 batteries is pretty much necessary in order to keep the drone's center of mass balanced. The TB55s can only be charged with the Inspire 2 hub charger and not with the DJI battery station. Now for the Inspire 1, Matrice 100, and Matrice 600, these use different versions of the TB47 standard and TB48 high-capacity batteries. These are for the Inspire 1, and these are for the Matrice 100, which use TB48D and TB47D batteries. The Matrice 600 and 600 Pro use 6 of the TB48S and TB47S batteries. The hex charger is great for the Matrice 600 since it can charge all 6 of the batteries it requires at once. If the need of the drone is to have an eye in the sky for extended periods of time, then a drone tether is a great option. The Elastair Li-T 3V tether plugs directly into the drone's battery compartment plugs and receives power through the microtether, which is connected to the ground station. The ground station receives power from a 220-volt outlet or portable generator. The Elastair Li-T tether solution is compatible with the Inspire 1, Matrice 100, Inspire 2, and Matrice 200 series of drones. This solution is ideal for event surveillance, traffic monitoring, and public safety operations. For charging off the grid, the EcoFlow River has more than enough capacity to keep your drone batteries charged. With two AC outlets, a 412 watt-hour capacity battery, and extreme temperature readiness, this 11-pound portable battery is always ready to go. Available with a 50-watt solar charger, the EcoFlow River is all you need to keep your drone's battery charged and live a power-free life. Stay tuned for our next video where we'll be showing the new DJI Zenmuse X-T2 thermal camera. Thank you for watching.